How to change text alignment in Google Sheet. Want your spreadsheet to look polished and professional? Changing text alignment in Google Sheet helps you control whether your data sits left, right, or perfectly centered, whether it's number or note. Let's make your content line up just the way you like. Open the desired sheet you want your content or you want to edit the text alignment. There you can see all these languages are some are at one is at my right, one is at my left. I don't want it, I want it in middle or center. Then how you can do it is by simply selecting it, and over here you can see at the bottom lines icon which is known as alignment. If you tap on it, there you can see this right alignment. Another first at the first it's a left alignment. Over there at the middle you can see center alignment. Like this you can arrange your alignment as per your wish, left, right or middle.